Okay. Okay, so let's finish up number 8 on page 144. So it was a book that you're pushing into the wall with the force of 63 newtons. The normal force then this time is coming straight out, because remember it's always between the surfaces in contact, which is the wall and the book in this case. Whoops, I didn't do a very good drawing a straight line there. Fg is acting down, and there must be a force acting up, and the force that's acting up is friction. Okay, so it wants to know what's the coefficient. So if we do some of the forces in the x direction, because we want to find the normal force in the x direction, it's Fn minus the force you're pushing with is equal to 0, because it's not going through the wall. So Fn then will equal the force you're pushing with, which means Fn equals 63 newtons. If we do some of the forces in the y direction, friction's acting up, gravity's acting down, and it's not slipping, so it'll be equal to 0. So take Fg to the other side, and of course Fg is equal to mg. So that means that friction is equal to 2.2 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared. So friction is equal to 21.582 newtons. So it doesn't matter which order you did these two in, but you need to do some of the forces in the x and some of the forces in the y. And now use your FFR is equal to mu Fn and solve for mu. So mu equals friction divided by Fn. So mu equals 21.582 newtons divided by 63 newtons. So that's going to be close to 0.3, a little bit bigger. So 0.34258. When I said 0.3, I was thinking repeating because it's almost 1/3. Okay? All right, so hopefully you're getting the hang of that really there's 3 basic steps. Some of the forces in the y, some of the forces in the x, and FFR equals mu Fn. Usually the first step is to find Fn, and then which of these two you do next depends on whether you're given mu or you want to find it. Okay? So I have some more examples that you can look at, but tonight I'd like you to work on this sheet, forces problems with constant velocity or acceleration motion. Now just be careful, because look, it says a cart which weighs 125 newtons. That's the Fg, okay? So you're given the Fg whenever it says weighs, and you can find the mass because we know Fg equals mg, so you can take this 125 newtons and divide it by 9.81 to find the mass. Okay, so just be careful whenever it says weighs. And at least there I bolded it. I'm not sure if it's bolded in other spots or not. Okay? All right.